You are the masterpiece of your own creativity. Embrace it. Stepping into uncharted territories. Always believe that yes, I can. Each time you watch a video on this channel, you contribute to reforesting and children's education.
Welcome back to our YouTube podcast, everyone. Today, we have some exciting news from the tech world, and it's all about Twitter's shocking rebrand. I'm your host Jane, and as always, I'm joined by my co-host Eric.
Hey, everyone! This is a pretty surprising development. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur, has decided to change Twitter's iconic logo and rebrand the platform entirely. Can you believe it?
It's definitely unexpected, but Elon Musk has never been one to shy away from bold moves. According to sources, the change is partly influenced by his fascination with the letter X, which has played a significant role throughout his career.
Right, back in 1999, Musk founded a financial startup called X.com, which later evolved into the massive payments company, PayPal. And even now, his other ventures, like SpaceX and his son's name, are closely tied to that letter X.
Exactly. And this move is not just about the logo, it's a bigger vision Musk has for Twitter. He aims to transform it into a super app, offering everything from payments to TikTok-style videos, all powered by artificial intelligence.
It's a bold endeavor for sure. In March of this year, Musk merged Twitter Incorporated into a newly registered entity called X Corp, and the plan started to take shape.
That's right. And Twitter CEO, Linda Yaccarino, expressed that the rebrand would allow them to create a new impression on users. With X, the company envisions an AI-powered platform centered in audio, video, messaging, payments, and banking.
The question on everyone's mind is, what will happen to the existing features and terms we all know and use on Twitter, like tweets, retweets, and hashtags?
Great point. It seems like there might be some changes to terminology. One user asked Musk if tweets would now be called X's, but it's hard to say for sure what the final decision will be.
Indeed, a complete rebrand like this is quite uncommon. While Facebook rebranded as Meta in the past, its core product remained the same. Here, it looks like Twitter will undergo a more extensive transformation.
Absolutely. The reactions from the public have been mixed. Some are bewildered as to why Musk would willingly let go of an iconic logo that's so recognizable to everyone.
It's a valid concern. Over the years, Twitter has become an integral part of the internet culture, and many have grown attached to the familiar bluebird logo.
Change is always met with mixed emotions, but we'll have to wait and see how the users adapt to this new era of X.
Well, that's all we have for today's podcast. We hope you found the insights into Twitter's rebranding fascinating. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and reactions in the comments below. What do you think about the shift to X? Are you excited about the changes, or do you prefer the classic Twitter?
And that's a wrap for today's DIY adventure. We hope you enjoyed learning, creating, and exploring with us. Before we go, we want to express our sincere gratitude to all our amazing viewers and subscribers. Your support and enthusiasm fuel our passion for sharing the joy of DIY. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update on the latest DIY trends and projects. Remember, the power to create is in your hands. We encourage you to keep experimenting, trying new things, and pushing your creative boundaries. We love hearing from you, so don't hesitate to leave your comments, questions, and suggestions down below. Your feedback helps us improve and cater to your DIY needs. Thank you once again for being part of our incredible DIY community. Together, let's continue to inspire, create, and make the world a more beautiful and personalized place, one DIY project at a time. Until next time, bye-bye.